the efforts by the Delhi Gourmet Club in putting up the awards together for chefs. Amazing way to appreciate. Top Chef Awards is all about the best, and may the best win tonight.
This is the first time chefs are getting an award rather than a restaurant or a hotel. It's going to be a great motivation for us. I think it's a good start, and I'm looking forward to have more event like this.
It is a chef who decides what's on the menu. It is a chef who looks at what food comes in, what food is popular, what isn't. And I believe it's been overdue for quite a long time. The time of the chef has come.
I've been to a lot of competition before, but when people are voting for you, it's completely different experience altogether.
I think it's fantastic. It's just a lot of class, a lot of style. There's a certain standard attached to it. I think it's just fantastic.
The night of 27 July 2014 marked a new beginning for the food and hospitality industry of India. History was created as the chefs of Delhi NCR were honoured at Top Chef Awards 2014. But what made it a first in India was the fact that each of those votes came from the very people these top chefs had fed. Yes, from the very customers who eat at the restaurants they cook in. Top Chef Awards saw the realization of a vision the founder members of the Delhi Gourmet Club, Saurish Bhattacharya, Rocky Mohan and Atul Sikand, to give chefs their rightful place in the sun.
Everyone goes to a restaurant and says, go here and you'll get the best tomato fish. Go here and you'll get the best khasta naans. But who has made them? None of us know that. And that was the idea, is to celebrate these unknown heroes.
The chefs get their place in the sun, finally. We all go to restaurants, we all have great meals, but we never care to find out who's the person cooking the food. It's the first time consumers have given the chefs the credit that they deserve.
Chefs need to be honored because their skills need to be honored. When the fraternity honors them, other chefs honor them, members of a gourmet club honor them, I think it adds great value to them.
The Delhi Gourmet Club was born as a Facebook community created for the informed pursuit of good food by Mr. Old Monk and celebrated cookbook writer Rocky Mohan, food blogger Atul Sikand of Sikandalas Cuisine, Facebook's largest recipe sharing community, and acclaimed food and wine writer Saurish Bhattacharya. What started as a group that shared ideas and information about eating out and dining in has today become an offline club with an online membership of 6,500 food lovers. Delhi Gourmet Club, or DGC as it is popularly known, is committed to discovering and celebrating the national capital's best-kept culinary secrets and honouring its most talented chefs and enterprising restaurateurs. Standing testimony to the club's commitment are truly memorable events organised at some of Delhi NCR's most celebrated restaurants. And Top Chef Awards was an ambitious venture that reflected the heartfelt passion of Delhi Gourmet Club. As they say, salute the hands that feed us. Supporting DGC in their passion were Le Cordon Bleu and GD Goenka University, and Pullman Gurgaon was the co-presenter. Moreover, the most prestigious global brands from the food and beverage industry joined DGC in their passion. Co-sponsors were Delverde, Torani, Ellenbeer, Granini and Nestle Professional, while massive restaurants, Food Hall and FNS sponsored the awards, and the beverages were sponsored by Stella Artois, Teacher's Origin and Sula Wine. The significance of Top Chef Awards as an industry event was further established by the fact that the chief guest, Parvez Diwan, Secretary, Tourism, Government of India, chose this occasion to announce the setting up of the Indian Culinary Institute in Tirupati.
We have finally finalized the Indian Culinary Institute which will now be headquartered in Tirupati.
With the categories and nominees being selected by an illustrious jury headed by Chef Manjeet Gill, along with the superstars from the industry, Bill Marchetti, Mariam Reshi, Manish Mehrotra, Girish Krishnan, Neeraj Tyagi, Mickey Boite, Varun Tuli and Magandeep Singh. The stage was set and it became an incredibly tough decision to choose the best amongst the best. Every aspect, from the classy look and feel of the brand to the swanky website and the intuitive voting process, the elegant invites and the technology of the voting engine, a lot of careful planning went into making the Top Chef Awards a roaring success.
Most chefs love recognition, but it gave us an opportunity to bring them out up front. We hope to take this national very soon. Top Chef Awards are going to go places. Watch out for that.